Good morning friends, we are back with our English subject and we are going to take our next video, that is the second lecture of your lesson chapter number 5, and the lesson name is Clever Tenali. Hope you have all opened your book to page number I think 35 if I remember. Yes children, have you opened it? And let us begin with our explain first the reading and side by side explanation of the lesson. So, here we begin with our Tenali Rama. We have read this 33, 34 and we are now on page 35. Hope you are ready with your book. Here we go. They started drawing water from the well and pouring it out. Meanwhile, Tenali was busy making a path for the water to flow towards the plants. Soon all the beds of the plants had enough water. So, आपका जो ये play का second last situation is over here in front of you on this page, that what you have to show in your play. If you are enacting this play for your school, they started drawing water from the well. पानी से कुएं से पानी भर भर के उन लोग निकाल रहे थे और कहाँ डाल रहे थे, एंड pouring it out, और कुएं के बाहर उसको डाले जा रहे थे. Meanwhile, और उसी टाइम तेनाली was busy making a path for the water to flow, और उसी वक्त तेनाली क्या करते जा रहे थे, वो पानी उनके प्लांट्स तक जाए वो पाथ वो बनाते जा रहे थे. ओके. Soon all the beds of the plants had enough water, और बहुत ही जल्दी सारे उनके plants जो garden के थे, कुएं के आसपास जो plants थे, उनको सबको पानी मिल गया था, भरपूर पानी मिल गया था. Enough means भरपूर. Enough now, stop watering the plants. और तेनाली रामा ने एकदम चिल्ला के बोला कि बस करो, पानी खूब डाल दिया है आपने मेरे पौधों में, मेरे plants में. The next situation, and that is the last situation of this play. The robbers realized that they had been tricked. They tried to run away, but the Kotwal and his guards nabbed them. The next day, everyone was talking about Clever Tenali. So, this is the way our Clever Tenali caught the robbers, the full gang, and the robbers were nabbed by the Kotwal and his guards. Nabbed means caught, पकड़े गए. और द नेक्स्ट डे पूरे में बात फैल गई कि तेनाली ने ये जो प्रॉब्लम था रॉबरी का, सीरीज ऑफ रॉबरी सॉल्व कर दिया, एंड ही वाज फेमस वंस अगेन. एंड व्हाट इज़ द लेसन ऑफ दिस स्टोरी, दिस प्ले विच वी हैव राइट नाउ एंडेड? इट्स काम एंड लॉजिकल थिंकिंग. व्हेन वी आर काम, हम बहुत शांत रहते हैं, एंड लॉजिकल थिंकिंग कैन सॉल्व एनी प्रॉब्लम. हमारे थोड़ा शांत रहने से और हमारे जब हम पूरी तरह अच्छे विचारों से कुछ बात को सोचेंगे, ओके, प्रैक्टिकली सोचेंगे, तो हम कोई भी जो हमारा प्रॉब्लम है उसको हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. फ्रॉम द स्टोरी, लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ आवर एक्सरसाइज. It's very easy children. Hope you have understood the lesson, and if not, please do send me a note that this page, this line, this words you haven't understood. Now oral, you are going to give this answer in oral. First we are going to read these 4 new words, or it may be the old words, but the pronunciation for you. Read these words aloud. Robberies, robberies, dragged, dragged, pouring, pouring, nabbed, nabbed. Take the first question, oral one. Who took up a job in Tenali Rama's house? किसने जॉब लिया तेनाली रामा के घर में? One of the robbers. Second, the two. What do you learn from the story? स्टोरी से आपने क्या सीखा? ये स्टोरी से आपने यही सीखा, the lesson which we learn, that when you are calm and you think something practically with your calmness, you can solve any problem. If you are in haste and you start thinking in haste, you cannot think it and you cannot solve any problem. Your thinking will also be disturbed, your thoughts will be disturbed. So, to think you have to first be calm and then think for your solution of any problems. Multiple choice questions. Let us begin with this one. Tick right the correct answer in each. Let us see what you have to tick right. The Kotwal of Vijayanagar was worried about. जो उधर का कोतवाल था वो विजयनगर के बारे में क्या उनकी परेशानियाँ थी. What was being worried? He was worried about his children, he was worried about the illness of his minister or a string of robberies in Vijayanagar. So, he was worried about a string of robberies in Vijayanagar. Let us go to your page number 36, children. We will continue our discussion of the these exercise. It is very easy. Second, can you see my cursor, children? Actually, the teachers, they lose the track of their cursor. Here I am. Second, Tenali Raman and his wife filled the wooden box with, उन्होंने wooden box जो कुएं में डाला था, you remember, they were filled with, they filled this wooden box with jewels, stones or snakes. Very good, it is stones. Now, take the third one. It was Tenali Raman's plan that the robbers should, Tenali Raman का plan था कि robbers should take out the box. वो तेनाली रमन का प्लान था कि बॉक्स निकालें, take out the box, that the robbers should, के robbers वो बॉक्स निकालें, jump into the well, के well में jump कर दें. Or what is plans? It is they should take out the box, the robbers should take out the box. Okay, children. So, this is the right answer, and the second one is stones. Let us go for written. Read and answer. 1. What did Tenali Raman ask his wife to do? Tenali Raman ने अपनी wife से क्या करने कहा? What did he say? He told his wife to spread the stories of their house wealth in the Vijayanagar. Okay, in the Vijayanagar. Okay. 2. What did the robber tell the chief? Chief को robber ने क्या बोला आके? About the wealth and how they are going to hit the about, first he came and told about the chief about the wealth of the house of Tenali Raman. Okay. 3. How did Tenali Raman make use of the water that the robbers were pouring out of the well? जो तेनाली रमन ने जो रॉबर्स से पानी कुएं में से निकलवाया वो भी उनका प्लान था. ओके, तो कि रॉबर्स पानी निकालेंगे तो वो जो पानी निकाल के फेंक रहे हैं या फेंकने वाले थे तो उसका क्या यूज़, वो पानी का क्या यूज़ लिया उन्होंने, क्या यूज़ में लाया? इज़ ही मेड द पाथ वेयर द वाटर was being poured from that area, he made the path towards his plants so that the plants could be easily watered by the robbers. Okay. 4. What happened to the robbers in the end? Robbers आखिर में उनके साथ क्या हुआ? Were they being caught or they ran away? Yes, of course, they were being caught by the plan of Tenali Raman, and even wife helped him in his plans, and Kotwal and his guards. Okay. Let us see this word quiz before going to think and answer. And his guards nabbed them. The word nabbed can be replaced by a caught, tied, hit, pushed. So, it is caught. Okay, पकड़े गए. Yes, think and answer. Let us see the first question of think and answer, children. Yes, 1 minute, children. Yes, why did the Kotwal seek Tenali Raman's help to catch the robbers? कोतवाल ने तेनाली रमन से help क्यों लिया? Okay, seek over here, you actually seek means find, but over here seek means take Tenali Raman's help to catch the robbers. So, Kotwal took the help of Tenali Raman, because as you know, Tenali Raman is a very clever person, or he was a very clever person, and he always think in a positive manner with calm mind. Okay. 2. Tenali Raman and his wife made sure that while they dropped the heavy box in the well, they were watched by the robber. Why do you think they did so? उन्होंने ये ध्यान क्यों रखा कि जब वो कुएं में बॉक्स डाल रहे थे पत्थर से भरा हुआ, उन्होंने ये ध्यान क्यों दिया या क्यों वो रखा प्लान में कि रॉबर उनको देखे, so that he may go and talk to his other partners and he should be caught red handed, ताकि वो देखें उनको कहाँ रखते हुए और उसी स्पॉट पे तेनाली रमन आए और उनको रंगों हाथों पकड़े जाएं रॉबर्स. ओके, टेक द 3 question 3. Give one reason from the story which makes you think that Tenali Raman was really very clever. एक रीज़न बताएं आप तेनाली रमन के. वैसे तो बहुत सारे रीज़न होंगे फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी which makes you think that Tenali Raman was really very clever. Tenali Raman बहुत ही clever थे. तो उनका ये जो लास्ट पार्ट है, this I liked it, that he did 2 work इन वन टास्क. एक ही बात काम में 2 उनके काम पूरे हो गए. एक तो उन्होंने चोर को पकड़ लिया और प्लस साथ ही साथ चोरों से ही, रॉबर्स से ही उन्होंने अपने प्लांट से पानी भी डलवा दिया, पोर करवा दिया. तो हुई ना ये, यानी कि 2 काम एक ही झटके में हो गया. रॉबर्स वर कॉट एज वेल एज हिज प्लांट्स वर वाटर्ड बाय द रॉबर्स देमसेल्फ. ओके. 4. व्हाई डिड द रॉबर्स से इट मस्ट बी एट द बॉटम ऑफ द वेल? रॉबर्स ने ये क्यों बोला कि इट मस्ट बी एट द बॉटम ऑफ द वेल? वो जो बॉक्स था वुडन, कि ये बॉटम ऑफ द वेल में है, क्योंकि वो बॉक्स काफ़ी बड़ा था और उनको काफ़ी हैवी लग रहा था. ओके, यस. द 5th question 5. What should we do in a difficult situation? हमें difficult situation में क्या करना चाहिए? What did you learn from Tenali Raman? हमें डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन में क्या करना चाहिए? हमें थोड़ा काम एंड कूल रहना चाहिए. हमें एकदम एक्साइट नहीं होना चाहिए डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन में. एंड व्हाट डिड यू लर्न फ्रॉम तेनाली रमन? और हमने तेनाली रमन से क्या सीख मिली? कि तेनाली रमन इज़ अ वेरी कूल एंड काम पर्सन, and whatever he tries to do or solve the problem, he does it in a very logical form or logical way, in a positive thinking. Okay children, so hope you have understood this exercise up till this page. Hope you will be soon reading the lesson and writing the answers in your own words, and you will be trying to solve your further queries also of your remaining upcoming your lessons, and asking me your queries on WhatsApp. Please do keep reading your lesson children, because reading once, twice, thrice helps you to not only improve your English, spoken English, it also improves your knowledge of the lesson, gives you the knowledge of more and more depth queries or depth answers to your questions. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.